Today, apart from our regular translation, we will have darshan to Middle East and USA, Canada, and UK devotees. So we will in 10 minutes we try to cover up the darshan. So we request devotees not to raise your hand, please. Sarvani Mataji from Turkey.
How's it?
Turkey. She's in Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah.
What's it doing there?
Leela Mai Gaurangi Mataji. Ankita Mataji. Suhashini Gargi Mataji. Gaurangi Mataji.
Hello.
Prayojana Mataji. She's offering a garland. Fani Shevika Mataji.
Hello.
Jaya Raseshwari Mataji.
Hi, Krishna.
And Vijaya Prabhu. Prahlad Prabhu.
Hi, sir.
Prahladeshwar.
You do a long talk.
Tungabhadra Mataji from Kashadesh.
You're very good.
Pushpa Gopal Prabhu, Lima. Chaitya Guru Mataji from Kashadesh.
Oh.
Lokapalika from Russia.
Oh.
Gauri Danyakshetra Mataji. Anubhav Pal Prabhu. Antari Vipot and Mitra Pal.
Krishna, yes.
Krishna Matastu, K.R. Rani Mataji.
Krishna, yes.
Anuradha Ramaswamy from UK. Ram Kanai Prabhu from UK. Thank you. Hema Haladini Mataji from UK. Reshma from UK. Mamata Mataji. Sorry?
Did she get my letter?
Reshma Mataji, you got Guruma's letter? This is Mamata Mataji from Charlotte. She's offering a dokla.
Oh.
And Susevini Guru Gauranga Mataji from Minneapolis. Aswashena Govinda Prabhu from DC. And his wife. Supriya Janava Mataji, Manohar Nitai Chand Prabhu. Divyangi Lalita Mataji and Prem Vikas Prabhu. Blueberry, blackberries and kiwi. Kalindi Sundari Mataji, Ujwal Nitai Prabhu. This is Ojaswini Mataji. Narayani Mataji from Kashadesh. Ramaswamy Narayan Prabhu. Again, second time. Bhakti Pradayani Mataji. Harsha Radhika Devidasi. Ramanarayan, Raghunarayan and Ramanarayan Prabhu. Tanushri Mataji.
Hello.
Shyama from UK. Ravi Janardhan Prabhu and family from Chennai. Krishna Karuna Murthy Prabhu. Rajani.
Krishna Josu.
Kranti Prabhu from UK. Milton Chaudhary Prabhu from Bangladesh. Kishori from Chennai. Jaya Padma Mataji from Kashadesh. And Shyam Sundar Srivas Prabhu. Lajjavati Mataji from Italy. No, Gayatri. Haridwani Mataji from New Talawan.
Hello.
Then our Jalangi Mataji from
Yes, they were
Mayapur.
swimming in the river.
Yeah, she was yesterday in swimming the river.
Hello.
Haribol. And Aravind Daksha Prabhu, he donated 61 Bhagavad Gitas. He and his family donated on behalf of Guru Maharaj. Thank you very much, Prabhu. Govinda Gopi Mataji, Niho Mom. Saloni Mataji from Pune. Prafulla Pralat Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hello.
And Krishna and Samyak from UK. Today is the birthday of Vijay Prabhu from East London.
Krishna
Krishna
Rajasa.
Matirastu. Guru Maharaj's blessings to you, Prabhu. Shukdev Arya Prabhu from UK.
Hello.
Janeshwar Prabhu from USA.
From Florida.
Florida. Hare Krishna. Krishna Namananda Prabhu from
New
New
Jersey.
Jersey. And Guru Krishna Das from Chile.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Krishna Rajasa.
Krishna Matirastu. Krishna and Samyak. Kolavacha Sridhar Prabhu from Peru.
Hello.
Haribol. Madhu Malini Danishka Venkat from Bangalore. Amala Manjari Mataji from UK.
Hello.
Rasapriya Gopika Mataji and Braja Krishna Prabhu from Mayapur. Madhira Mataji
Hello.
and Swati Mataji from Dublin, Ireland. Prema Mai Satyabhama Mataji from Damodar Desh. Puja Mataji.
Yeah.
Ratnangi Lakshmi Priya Mataji. Gaura Priya Sachi Mata Devidasi Mataji. Shaki and Snigdhamai Matajis. Devi Guru Charan from Tiruvallur. I'm sorry. Janani and Anand from Bangalore.
Hello. Krishna Rajasa.
Krishner Matirastu. Malik Prabhu from UK. Suhashini Gargi Mataji from Ananta Anandadesh.
Krishna Rajasa.
Medini Mataji from Peru.
Hello.
I don't know, is that? Sudevi Rani Mataji from Damodar Desh. Ananda Krishna Dasi from USA.
Hello.
Haribol. Pramida Mataji and Akshay from East London. Urjeshwari Mataji from Atlanta.
Hello.
Suchitra Revati Mataji. Ananta Vishaka Mataji.
Krishna Rajasa.
Krishner Matirastu. Sudarshan Brajesh Prabhu and Parameshwari Pavitra Mataji, UK.
Everyone.
And Vineet.
Krishna Rajasa. Hoo.
Silpi Chaudhary Mataji from Ananta Desh. Divya Nitai Lila Mataji from USA. Distributed 2 sets of Bhagavatam, 1 set of Chaitanya Charitamrita, 10 Bhagavad Gitas. Tejaswini Rukmini Mataji from Damodar Desh. Mango Lassi offered by Sri Nam Radha Mataji from Chile.
Krishna Rajasa.
Swarna Rai Mataji. Hare Krishna, thank you. Chaitali Mataji. Deeptimai Radha Mataji. Lalitangi Radha Mataji. Get well soon. Sorry, second time. Antaranga Haripriya Mataji from UK. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Aparna Nagluri from UK. Jayadev Hari Prabhu from Mexico.
Hello.
Hari Bol.
Salamat.
Gaurangi Mataji again, third time. Annapurna Mataji, Mayapur, Mexico. Yogeshwari Janava from Kazakhstan. Hari Bol.
Hello.
Mathura Lileshwari Mataji from Gita Nagari. Prahlad Krishna Prabhu. This is Nitya Priya Radha Mataji. Her birthday was yesterday, so she's seeking Guru Maharaj's blessings. Guru Maharaj's blessings to you, Mataji. Krishna Matirastu. Shanti from Charlotte. Swarna Janava Devi Dasi from Krishna Katha Desh and Prabhu. Second time. Chandra Charu Prabhu. Gopi Kanta Krishna Prabhu and Kalindi Gopika Mataji. Mitali Anantamai Vaijayanti. Mukti Datri Radhika Mataji. Bala Vrinda Vinika Gandharvika. Satyabhama Sadhvi Mataji. Sudhamai Chitra Mataji. Bhakti Priya Radhika Mataji from UK. And from UK Bhakti. And Phaneshwari Lakshmi Mataji from USA.
All the way from
San Diego.
San
Haribol. Thank you. Sachinandan Gaura Chandra Prabhu. Aravinda Krishna Prabhu and Yamuneshwari Mataji. Kamala Nandini Mataji from Chile. Gopa Gopika Mataji from Chile. I think it's the bus, Gurmash. Shiva Priya Subramani and family. Oh, thank you. Harshita Sharma. Android BT. Kakuli Rani Mataji from Damodar Desh. Krishna Shaikia Mataji. Think we covered almost. Rakesh and Priyanka from Shamdesh. Blessings from Gurmash. Barshana Chitra Mataji. Second time. Shakshi Gauranga and Nikakshi Vishnupriya Mataji. Pratap Mai Prabhu and Penny Haribol. Keshavi Devidasi from Hyderabad. Bankshidari Krishna Prabhu from Anantanand Desh and other devotees. Bhavatarini Mataji from Mathura Desh. Kairava Chandrika Mataji and Geeteshwari Mataji from Delhi. It's taking time. Maya Chaudhary. Not changing. Jana Jivani Radha Mataji from Salem. Vamsi Dari. Pujeshwari, second time. Chaya Durva Balaji offering grapes from UK. Thank you for the offering. Guru Maharaj's blessings. Haladini Rai Mataji. Sheshapati Govinda Prabhu from Philadelphia.
Krishna Krishna
Nayana Manjari Mataji.
Mate
Nanda Kumar
Krishna
Prabhu.
Mate Astu.
Krishner Matir Astu. Okay, Guru Maharaj. It's second time. The Android BT from Kashadesh. Hari Bol. So Guru Maharaj gallery view blessings to all
Krishna Mate
devotees.
Astu.
Krishner Matir Astu.
Hello.
Second time. So any devotees who didn't get darshan?
Krishna Mate
Krishner Mati Krishner Rati
Astu.
Astu. Guru Maharaj, it's 9:50 now.
Chats.
Chats, Guru Maharaj, no. Mathura Kumari Mataji from Argentina.
Hello.
From Chile, Betsy Tharo. So birthday of Vrinda from Damodar Desh. So Guru Maharaj's blessings to you, Mataji. So Sri Harinama Amrita Prabhu from Tirupati. Hare Krishna. So need prayers. Kannan having a open heart surgery in UK. So Gurudev and all the devotees, they are requesting for prayers. We chant one time Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vijaya Shri Devidasi. Okay, Guru Maharaj, we are back. This is Analia Crason from Argentina. Hari Bol. There is Indra Janava Mataji from Mayapur. I think Mayapur.
What is that?
She is now in Mayapur.
Bhakti here?
Yeah. Shri Bhakti is here. Yeah, I think so. Shri Bhakti also here. Shri Bhakti Prabhu. Okay, Guru Maharaj, we have completed.
I see the chats.
Okay.
Hello.
Urvasi and Pihu. Oops, again we are back. Chats.
Oh, what chats? Who's that?
I don't know, Guru Maharaj. It was sent. Yamuna Lilavati. Okay, we end here, Guru Maharaj.
All right. Krishna Mantra, Krishna Rati.
Saundarya
Krishna
Radhika
Mantra.
and Dhruv from Bangalore. Sridhar Jamaica from Hyderabad. Okay, Krishner Mati, Krishner Rati, Astu, Guru Maharaj blessed everyone. So we are ending here. Hare Krishna.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.